Alright, welcome back everybody for another unboxing video. Check it out, girls and boys. We got a Boriwatt Model R7-C Shiatsu massage cushion with heat. Obviously, yet again, let me bring it up, recap. Fortunately, I overcommitted myself to my trade. I dedicated myself to this damn union that didn't appreciate it. They backstabbed me. They unlawfully, wrongfully terminated me 3 months after I submitted all my medical records, and I told them that that's the reason why I'm slowing down, that's why I'm hurting, and that's why my back is all messed up. And it was all thanks to them, working for them. So I've been suffering for the past 5 years, since 2018, working with IBEW, Local 11, as a union electrician, second-year apprentice, work-related spine injuries. The doctors have failed me, the whole medical system, IBEW failed me, my family failed me. So the only thing I have to do is take it upon my own self, my own hands, and find a way to heal myself and treat myself and recover and honestly fix my spine. So that's why I buy these things, my peeps. It's not for luxury. It's not just to like pamper myself, or all that is good, you know, but honestly it's out of necessity. All right, my spine is fucked up. I have arthritis, muscle spasm, spondylolysis, herniated discs, disalignments. My neck's fucking grinds. It pops, it snaps. My lower back hurts. My mid back hurts. It's all bad. It's 3 different regions. So yeah, I suffer a lot from my spine, and it's all thanks to IBEW Local 11. Yeah. So let's do this unboxing, my peeps. So there you go. That's a little intro why I bought this. Why did I invest in this? So this is a cordless massager cushion. Model R7C, color black, rated voltage 12.6 volts, rated power 25.2 watts, rated time 15 minutes, package size and package weight less than 5 pounds. Manufacturer information, designed by Boriwatt. Alright, so there you go, my peeps. Nothing much, no details, just a simple little basic box. So let's just open it up and see what's up. Yeah, so fortunately, yep, my back, but I'm gonna fix it. It's like having broken wings, or your wings removed, and you gotta get them back. I'm gonna get my wings back for sure. Alright, then let's do it this way. Oh, nice, nice, my peeps. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Let me lower this now. Let me lower this, yes. And then bring this down so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, girls and boys. Put it too much on the edge, and then it knocked it out. My bad, my bad, my bad, my piece. My bad. Alright, let me adjust this. Let me adjust this, my piece. Let me adjust this. There you go. Okay, my bad. Okay, so here you go. Put this in the back. Come on. It's not gonna stay. Yeah, it's not gonna stay. Maybe this way. Yeah, there you go. So here you go, my piece. I apologize. We have the little remote control. Power button direction. It's forward reverse, most likely. Forward reverse. Polarities, right? Intensity from low to high. Different modes, different settings, and then you can add the heat. Pretty slim. Pretty basic wire. Nothing fancy. 300 volts, 80 degrees. It's 24 AWG. American wire gauge. Alright, my piece. So let's look at the power supply. Switching power supply. So it says model XH 1200-2500 watt, input 100 to 240 volt AC, 50-60 hertz, 0.8 amps, output 12 volts to 2.5 amps. All right. There you go, my peeps. Little input jack. So this is portable, pretty much. You could take it anywhere. You could add it and put it anywhere you want. You can take it and put it onto your put it on your anywhere you go, on your car when you're driving. If you are working in your computer, wherever you're at, office, at work, or anywhere you're at. If you're working at anywhere you go, wherever you can take it, and it's nice and compact. Look, doesn't take a lot of space. I don't have a tape measure. Well, okay, let's read this up. So it says Boriwad product name, massage cushion, product model R7, rated voltage 12 volts, rated power it's only 24 watts. Keep in mind, always try to get things that are rated at low wattage. Energy efficient and energy consumption efficacy. All right, automatic timing 15 minutes. Executive standard. That's what is wrong with me. Okay, there you get it. All right, then it has these zippers right here, my peeps. Did you see? All right, they're hidden right here. Well, the zipper's hidden right here. So let me see. LCD in the back goes blank. So look, you can. It's hidden. It's like a little. Man, it doesn't have any like a little grabber. I'm having a hard time getting this zipper, my peeps. See it? It doesn't have any handles. That's weird. Because you know, normally zippers, they have like a little handle. This one doesn't have a handle. Am I even supposed to remove it? Maybe it's like this so nobody will tamper it. But why would they put a zipper? I don't know if it even comes with instructions. Okay, I'm trying to remove it, but it's okay, my peeps. So there you go. So right here are the balls. We can plug it in. I didn't bring my portable power stations. That's why the portable power stations are the badass, because you can energize these type of things, you know. There's no manual, no nothing. Absolutely no manual, no nothing. There's no schematics, no nothing, my peeps. This is what it is. All right, so this is gonna be for my back, so I can massage it. So right here, I don't know if you guys see this protrusion. They're right here, the balls, the massager balls. And there's 4 of them. Oh, it's okay. I'll pick it up right now. But there you go, my peeps. So it's not that much. It's only a few inches. You could take it anywhere, and it's portable. It's badass. I'm going to test it out while I'm driving. Yep. So I'm going to test it out already. Yeah, I'm going to put it to the test when I take off the parking lot. We're going to set it up. All right, my peeps? Yeah. And then when I'm doing computer and all that stuff, like, I'm going to use this. And, yeah. All right, my peeps. That's it for this video. Thanks, everybody. Let me pick that up. And all right, everyone, smash that like button, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, little icon. All right, everyone, thank you for everything. Peace, love, and health. Laters.